statements I'm just trying to tell you that mains में just strategically you can get through easily if you are thorough with your current affairs and you have properly distributed your attention to the GS as well as your optional. Is that clear? Okay, then comes, there is something called as variation across subjects. You'll find that in recent time, GS3 has not been performing really well. ठीक है, आपने ये देखा होगा. You'll also find that there is some kind of stagnation in marks in essay as well. तो ये जो trends होते हैं, because of that we tend to think कि कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो इसमें marks नहीं आएगा. But still if you find every year some or the other student is getting 110 above. There are some 10% students who have scored 110 plus in GS paper 3. It means they might have provided the input that was required. So we do not draw parallels or trends based on our whims and fancies. Nobody can decode the mentality of the examiners who are setting the paper. Nobody can understand the marking pattern as well. ठीक है, there is no कि if I'm saying what is happiness, it can vary for different people. ठीक है, you all can justify it through different arguments. So it's all about ensuring that whatever you write, there is a clarity over it, and there is a strong either the government report or something that is there to substantiate your opinion, whatever you are stating. So in GS paper 1, 2 and 3, I think holding on to your static, holding on to the basics that you have done for your prelims, that will always stay relevant. Apart from that, for main specific subject, be it society, be it social justice, governance, IR or any other subjects from GS3, you will find that current affairs will always be playing the most prominent role. Okay. Now, in mains, it's not just about the knowledge. It is also about your speed. It is also about just not, physical. It is not just mentally tiring, but mains get physically tiring as well. Because in one weekend, you'll be writing almost 5 papers. Okay? Essay and then GS 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all 3 hours ka paper that will be going on. So students who are writing mains this year, a simple suggestion for you is do not run back of the propaganda of 10 questions per day or 2 questions per day, or I'll just write half length test. The student who have to write mains this year are the ones who should only be practicing the full length test. Now, why do I say that? Because, see, when you write a half-length test, you have written it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Beyond that is the problem which starts. Beyond that, this hand stops working. Beyond that, you'll find that since the timer, the clock is ticking, there will be mental pressure to ensure that you complete your paper on time. Your brain will start getting clogged. Similar kind of information and data, you'll be finding that you're writing same kind of things. So for that is what practice is required. If somebody gives me 1.5 year for mains exam and फिर बोले जाओ थोड़ा टहल के आओ और आके लिखो,